Hey everyone, I am Jake, and if you are dreaming of retiring in the Sunshine State, but want to avoid the crowds and sky-high prices of places like Miami or Orlando, you have come to the right place. For 2025, Florida still holds some incredible, often overlooked gems, perfect for your golden years. Today, we are diving deep into the 10 unseen, hidden best places to retire in Florida for 2025. These are the spots that offer a fantastic quality of life, affordability, and that quintessential Florida charm without being on everyone's radar. So grab a drink, relax, and let us uncover these hidden paradises. First up on our list is Punta Gorda, located on Florida's Gulf Coast, just north of Fort Myers. Punta Gorda offers a relaxed, waterfront lifestyle without the hefty price tag of its southern neighbors. It is known for its charming historic district, beautiful harbor walks, and a strong sense of community. For 2025, it continues to offer great value with a vibrant art scene and easy access to boating and fishing. Next, we head a bit north to Newport Richey. This town is making a resurgence, offering affordable waterfront living along the Coty River, leading out to the Gulf. It has a revitalized downtown with unique shops, restaurants, and a growing arts scene. It is a great option for those seeking coastal living on a more modest budget, and its proximity to Tampa provides all the amenities you might need. Coming in at number 3 is Fernandina Beach on Amelia Island. This is not a complete secret, but it often gets overshadowed by other East Coast locales. It offers historic charm, beautiful Atlantic beaches, and a calmer pace of life. For 2025, it still provides a more upscale but less crowded option, with a fantastic downtown, great golf courses, and a thriving local community. Our fourth hidden gem is Sebring. Tucked away in the heart of Florida, Sebring is surrounded by lakes, making it a paradise for fishing and outdoor enthusiasts. It boasts a lower cost of living than coastal areas, a historic downtown, and a tight-knit community feel. If you prefer peaceful inland living with plenty of recreational opportunities, Sebring is worth a serious look. Halfway through our list, at number 5, we have Mount Dora. Known for its charming small-town atmosphere, antique shops, and beautiful chain of lakes, Mount Dora offers a unique New England-esque vibe in central Florida. It is a bit of a drive from the coast, which keeps it quieter, but its vibrant festivals, art galleries, and waterfront dining make it an attractive and distinct retirement option for 2025. Moving on to number 6, let us explore Dunellen. Situated on the Withlacoochee River and near the Rainbow River, Dunellen is a haven for nature lovers. Think kayaking, tubing, and exploring crystal-clear springs. It is an incredibly affordable area, especially for those looking for more land and a slower pace. It is perfect fit if your retirement dream involves connecting with Florida's natural beauty away from the hustle. At number 7, we have got Lake Placid, often called the Caladium capital of the world, and Florida's town of Murrells. Lake Placid offers an incredibly friendly atmosphere and a genuine small-town feel. With numerous freshwater lakes, it is ideal for fishing and boating. The cost of living is very reasonable, and the community is active, making it a truly pleasant and underrated place to retire. Number 8 takes us to the Florida Panhandle, to Port St. Joe. If you are looking for unspoiled beaches, a laid-back lifestyle, and a strong sense of community, this forgotten coast gem is for you. It is far less developed than other coastal regions, offering a peaceful retreat with fantastic seafood and beautiful Gulf views. As of 2025, it still holds that untouched charm. Coming in strong at number 9 is Tarpon Springs. Famous for its historic sponge docks and rich Greek heritage, Tarpon Springs offers a culturally vibrant and unique retirement experience. Located on the Gulf Coast, just north of Clearwater, it provides access to beautiful beaches, excellent dining, and a strong community spirit, all at a more accessible price point than its southern neighbors. And finally, our 10th hidden gem for retirement in Florida in 2025 is Palatka. Situated on the St. Johns River, Palatka offers a rich history, beautiful natural surroundings, and an incredibly low cost of living. It is a quieter town with a strong sense of local pride, perfect for those who appreciate historical architecture, river activities, and a friendly, unpretentious community. It truly represents an untouched side of Florida. So, there you have it, 10 incredible, often overlooked places to retire in Florida for 2025. From the Gulf Coast to the Panhandle and into the heart of the state, there is a hidden paradise waiting for you. Each of these spots offers something unique, whether it is affordability, natural beauty, a vibrant community, or a peaceful retreat. Which of these hidden gems caught your eye? Have you visited any of them? Or do you have a secret spot you think deserves to be on this list? Let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to like this video, share it with anyone planning their retirement, and subscribe to your channel name for more insights into living your best life in Florida and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.